So, hello, welcome Intech Media viewers. So today's video is gonna be of this Logitech H111 headphone, and now we are going to check out this headphone, how its quality is for our office call, Zoom call, and also for gaming and sound test somewhat. So first let's unbox it. There is nothing in this. First its back side, then we have the center part and the upper part. In the center part it is stuck inside here, and its manual is in this side. Let's remove it. Look, here it's the headphone. So first let's remove this cable type. So friends, now you all can see that how long its wire is. So if you are using it for your PC also, then you will not have any type of issue of the wire's length, and its quality is also good. It's not braided cables, but it is a good quality plastic only, so you all can trust on this for a long period of time. And it also has this 180-degree tiltable or rollable somewhat this mic, and the mic is also adjustable at this point. So if you have like this, then you can adjust it as per your need. Headphones 180-degree tiltable or movable mic makes you comfortable to use it on the left side also, and also on the right side, so that you can use it as per your need. Actually its quality is also super good. It has an extension over here where you can adjust it as per your head's height, and it doesn't strain you as it is so much thin. So you can also hide it like this, and you can just use its this part, just the speaker part, and also the mic. As it is 180-degree tiltable, it also comes near your mouth here only, so you can use it. It also comes with this wind muff, and this is how the mic looks without this wind muff. It has inbuilt noise cancellation inside it, which cuts down the noise. So let's first check it out, how its quality is. So friends, now the voice which you are hearing is coming out from this headphone, Logitech H111, and most probably for this video and for some other videos also I will be using this as my mic, as I forgot my lav mic at my home only. So friends, and also let us talk about some extra features about this. So friends, actually it has good sound system inside it. This speaker helps us to listen in a good HD quality audio, and also it is so small that it doesn't disturb your ear by getting some sweating issues and all, as it doesn't cover your whole ear. It just inside your ear cups. And this mic is also adjustable, so if you are not speaking, then you can also like this, you can remove, or else you will be not having any major issue with this. I use it for my online lectures and all, and also if you are gaming, you can also prefer this, but mostly gaming YouTubers don't prefer this like this headphones. If you are under a budget of 1000 rupees, then you can try this, as it is also from Logitech, the well-known brand. Then you can also get a good quality of after sales customer services. So it will be around some 600 to 800 rupees, as the printed MRP on this is rupees 825 rupees, but it will not get in this price. It will be more cheaper than this, so you can try out at your local store. It will be available there also. If you are not getting it, I will give the link in the description box. From there you can check it out.